Man, what is wrong with you? You holding in a fart or something?
If the truck's so important, why don't they just move it? Something doesn't smell right, man.
It smells good to me. Look, back in Seattle, they treated us like morons. Now look at us, we holding 30 cows, dude. Come on, baby, get your head in the game. Come on, come on. There you go.
Fuck you.
Eyes up, boys. Those Seagulls lay a fingernail on our supplies. It's open season.
What the hell? Hey, why do you call them Seagulls? These look like normal survivors to me.
What else would you call a bunch of fucking trash eaters?
Dude, we're really gonna kill these guys?
There's one left, Stu. It's all yours. Clean it up. Melon down.
Saved your ass.
Seagulls, butchers, exiles. They see the world in shades of gray. What I need from you two lawmen is you show them that there's only two colors in the world. Black and blue. Ah, you missed, Stu. Yeah. Could happen to anyone. Rookie mistake. Hey, don't let it happen again. Okay. You guys want some burgers?